So I desperately wish I didn't go into my kitchen. I found cinnamon. I have a towel laid down. Yo, I'm getting prepared for this shit. I got my spoon. And I have my ground cinnamon. I really don't want to do this. Like, my heart is pounding right now. Oh, shit. It's like, can I take that off? Of course I can. Oh my god. It smells so good, but I'm so... The only reason I'm doing this is because everyone else is now, like... There's a huge hype about cinnamon challenge right now, and I figured, why not upload it now while it's, you know, up there. I took off my glasses so they wouldn't get dirty. While, you know, it's, popular. Chubby Bunny was popular. Yo, this is a huge spoon. Chubby Bunny was once popular. But, that died down. Oh my god, that's so much. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. Okay. I'm so scared right now. Like, I'm legitimately scared. Like, my heart is pounding. Okay. I don't want to do this. Imagine if I forgot to press record button. I would never get off YouTube. Alright. Let me level this shit out. And my heart is pounding. Okay, it's all leveled out. I don't want to do this. Okay. Oh god! Oh! Oh, oh my, oh my, oh my god. Oh my god. It's all over my desk. It completely... Oh my god. I hate you. It is all over my... Well, that's my towel. My desk. That was disgusting. Alright, well, Okay. I'm gonna go.